finding time to do a video is almost impossible. But because we're not only entering a new year, we're going into a new decade, I thought I'd do one. I've been working on my personal plan for 2020. This is the 2019 one, this is the 2021, and whenever I write goals for 1 year, I look at what I wanted to achieve in the year before, because some years build on each other. And for example, one of my favorite things to achieve this year was that I set a 5-year goal for my son's university savings, and I achieved them this year. So if you have a goal that you know will take you several years, then start doing a diary, and whenever you do next year's diary, look at the one before. Now, next year I have a new goal. In addition to learning the violin, that's my personal goal, I want to do a little bit more with helping people with their personal finances. So if you've got any questions, especially if they're UK-based questions to do with saving, investing, getting debt-free, pensions, anything, please ask me. And the way I'll answer is by writing a blog post. If I've got lots of questions, it might take me a few weeks to get to yours because I only want to write one blog post a week. But I'm really passionate about helping people with their personal finances. And I did that free of charge for a few people this year. And I'd like to help a few more people. So please drop me a note. You can send me a message. I think I'll put a link below to my contact page. So you can send me your questions. If you want the planner, this one, which is normally £15 for 72 pages, is up for £7. So really cheap. I mean, if you can't invest £7 in setting your goals and your plan, I don't know what to say. Anyway, hope you have a fabulous 2020 and 2020s in general. Mwah.
What's she doing?
What are you two little pumpkins doing?
From the flower, and then she flies back to the hive to make it into...
But I thought our rule is that you don't eat and watch TV at the same time.
Oh yes, sorry, I forgot, Mummy.
Buzz, buzz,
Oops, my mistake. I said I could watch TV, but I forgot the rule.
buzz, buzz.
Chester, do you want to pause the TV?
Yes, sorry.
Good. And
I remembered the wall.
did you? Then why didn't you follow it?
Joking, I didn't remember.
Do you remember why we don't watch TV and eat?
I was turning off.
No, it's not turning off. Pause it. It's not turning off. Why do we have this rule? Why are we not allowed to eat and watch TV at the same time? You don't know?
No.
You don't know? Daddy, can you remind them?
Because you don't get full.
Yes, because you don't acknowledge that you're eating.
What are you doing now, son? Oh, you're getting some more. Great.
Jocelyn,
Yeah.
how old are you?
2.
2.
Yeah.
Who's the president of America?
Donald Trump.
Donald Trump, that's right. And who's the president of China?
Silver pink.
Xi Jinping. Chester, I think you whispered it to her there, didn't you?
I didn't.
Oh, okay. Those look like yummy pizzas. Who made them? Who's
Daddy.
your daddy? Chester, there's plenty of napkins. You don't have to use your sleeve. Jocelyn, if we have a dirty mouth, what do we use, a napkin or our sleeve?
Now we must fly back.
Chester, pause please, otherwise I'll have to put the remote in the utility.
Something was it?
Is it Jocelyn who put it on again? Jocelyn, was it you that put it on again?
They'll put it off and on.
You don't like following rules, do you, Jocelyn?
No.
No. Can you look at Mama?
Jocelyn.
No, Chester, I saw you do that one.
No, Jocelyn did do it.
Chester, what have you found?
Ball.
I thought you said you found a baby. Is the baby in your tummy?
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Just like little baby sisters in Mummy's tummy. We need to wipe your nose again. That nose is incessant. Don't we?
No.
Yeah, we need to wipe it.
Yeah. Daddy.
Yes.
Oh, it's just too cute.
What are you doing?
Take your video. Go to Mummy.
Jojo, come to
Go to
mama.
Mama.
Come to mama. Come to
Wow,
mama.
how nice.
Jojo, come to mama.
Just to brush your teeth. Oh, you look so
Finish.
lovely.
Finish.
Very clean.
Let's go. I want to go.
Yep, we gotta go.
Let's get out of here.
We're eating lunch. Shall we put it on the table?
Yeah. That's beautiful.
Shall we? Daddy?
Yes.
Daddy, grab it. Can you put it in the middle?
Yes.
Thanks.
Well, that's lovely, Heather. Where did that come from then, that photo?
Found it.
You found it? That's awesome.
You found it? In Africa?
Yeah. In England.
Look!
Oh, what is that?
Look.
Oh, wow. Green tea. Just what I always wanted. Decaffeinated.
Mummy, I've got green tea.
Thank
Great.
you. Yeah. Is this one from you? Remember us?
Yes! Thank you, Mum.
It's my birthday, Lelo.
Thank you, Mum. Thank you, Mum.
Welcome.
Sorry, what's this? I didn't see this. That's not being wrapped.
Yeah, that's your birthday present.
Oh my goodness, it was a card. I thought this was a card, but it's not. I know what this is because I got an email about it.
And there's a...
I know.
Mummy, we haven't made a birthday cake.
Oh, Mummy, you have made it. Maybe I bet she has last night when you went to bed. She probably made it, didn't you, Mummy? Yeah?
It's hidden.
Yes, it's hidden.
You can have it at dinner as pudding.
Hey, birthday cake.
Can I see it?
Yeah, go and see it. Go and just show him, Heather. It's not that big a secret, is it?
It's more socks, Daddy. Dad,
Oh
it's
wow,
more socks.
my favourite socks. Oh wow, more. This is a blue sock and a green sock.
No, that's a...
Blue.
No.
Green.
No. That's orange.
Is it?
And black.
Orange. That's a funny orange. Are you sure that's orange?
No, maybe it's red and black.
Oh wow, red and black. Lovely. We can count those. Oh my goodness me, we can count these socks later, Heather. Oh, this is going overboard.
This is my style.
Oh my kids.
Let's check my feet.
Those are daddies.
My feet, it's
What
white.
are you in the style?
Mummy, it fits my feet. Look.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does. Look. I'm
wrong, Dad?
standing on it. Look.
That's not how you check the style. Like, get off. Let me show you how you check if it will fit you. Hey, I don't listen good. Is this your style?
No, the orange one is my style.
Oh, put them on then.
But it's stuck to here.
Just try the green one. It's still a dragon.
Is it a dinosaur?
It's a dinosaur. No, it's a dinosaur. I want to open one.
Oh, open. Can I open one?
No.
Oh, this one's heavy. Open this one first. Is it a brick?
No. I think it's a brick.
I love bricks because then I can build a house.
Yay. No. It's
Oh.
biscuit.
Oh, great.
Turkish delight. Those are for daddy's work.
Great.
Let's open it.
Yes.
Oh, finish all the presents first. We do all the presents first. What's this one?
I hold.
Of course you can hold it.
Guys, the ball. Millionaire.
Well, I wouldn't even tell you owns it. We could have won $1 million.
Ah, yeah, where you think we'll tell you?
Yeah, just keep it quiet.
Oh,
We'll just,
no,
that one can't, just that one can't fly.
That doesn't. But did quite well though.
For something I was throwing in there.
No, please don't throw it, Chester.
Yeah, Chester, don't throw that one. That
Please,
one's not for throwing.
please don't throw that
Only
one.
throw the paper
It'll
ones.
break.
Do you have any balloons, Chester? Then we can make a really cool plane. Or actually a rocket. But we're going to have to put the balloon in the rocket. So it can go zing. We can put it on a little string. Where's your balloon?
They're doing a free listing right now.
So when it was Jocelyn's
That's why I'm just
birthday,
like, put it all on.
my balloon
Put it all
went
on.
pop and my air went out.
Oh. So we're gonna have to wait for Jocelyn's birthday.
But it's not coming again today.
Oh, it's not
When
today,
is her
then. When
birthday?
her
Do you remember?
birthday, then?
It's not coming today.
Do you remember when?
It's not.
When is her birthday? I want to know when her birthday is so we can actually know when
It's
we're gonna
my
get this.
birthday in December.
Oh, so your birthday will come before her birthday. So we
Just-
can wait for your party.
Chester, when's Jocelyn's birthday?
In August.
No, that's Daddy's.
No, it's not, Daddy. It is Jocelyn.
No, Jocelyn's is not in August.
And I've got a far
Jojo, no. No.
What the
Jojo, no, don't eat the sand. No. Jojo, I. No, stop her from eating it.
No!
Thank you.
If you believe that stuff.
It's true.
Clap your hands. No.
No!
Got very good characters.
No!
Jocelyn, where's your boat?
Latter end
Where's Jocelyn's boat?
as opposed to
I
the
think
early.
he's more of like a Leo going in the first.
Jocelyn, do that. No, do that.
Really? But they're more the Leo's slash.
No, don't.
You could either with that's
Yay!
The Leo people are quite loud
Hey, Chester, you get the hang of it. You're doing exactly what your dad told
I
you
hope
to
I
do.
make at least 50 quid in my eBay money.
But you gotta.
I'm gonna use it for the meal I ate last
Now you're following instructions. Oh, not quite.
I was telling Trishana that let's invest in like the food industry. Malawi creating all these food products. Or whatever.
Oh my goodness.
But again, everyone had done cheese and done cheese and done cheese.
What's this?
True. No, you're right. Let me help you fix your plane, though. It needs to come into the hangar.
What about that?
Gotta fix it in the hangar. Cause look, can you see the wings here are damaged a little bit, so we're gonna fix it.
Well done.
What's happened, Jocelyn?
No, she's fallen over, that's all. It's okay. It's alright, she's just fallen over.
Jocelyn, you're gonna get stronger.
Pick up your fighter plane.
Sorry,
Just
princess. Here you go.
Just
Here
when
you
you
go,
when you
Chester.
land on that, it's not it's quite firm. It's quite rough.
Loads of sand on you.
If I knew she had this much sand, I'd have left her there.
Chester, here's the
Chester.
plane.
Don't, please tell Chester. He's not
I've
allowed
told
to
him many times.
Chester, look. I'm gonna
Take him
throw
to
it that
bed.
way. Look how far it's gonna go. Oh,
You know what? I don't even know why kids like sand. I have very limited
the
tolerance
texture, the feel. You
I'm
don't
very
remember playing
limited
with mud and all that
tolerance
stuff when you were little.
myself.
No, that's because you're an adult.
But when you're young,
It's all between my boobs, Has.
Yeah. Well, you have a shower.
Just so.
Whoa, Chester, you're getting better at
I
it.
traveled for 5 days, so now I'll be forced.
Wow.